video. What am I? Yes, it's true. Probably our worst fear as videographers, especially, you know, drone pilots, came to life for me a couple weekends ago when I was out videoing some stuff downtown. I was about 60 meters in the air and it literally just lost signal, and it just completely fell straight down onto cement. It's really messed up. I can't really put the battery pack in there anymore because of the way it got hit from this angle. I'm thinking from the impact, you know, is why the camera now, gimbal is like completely broken. It's literally hanging on by a wire. And yeah, you know, I put in some work with this. I'm proud of this. It came out in 2016. I actually got gifted this back in last March from kind of like an OG video guy here. So I'm not complaining. It did its thing, but yeah. Basically what happened was I was downtown videoing, and about 60, like I said, I was 60 meters in the air and it just crashed. Thank God I did not hit any cars, any people, more importantly, and cause any damage to anybody except the drone. But yeah, just another thing, you know, to look out for, a wake up call for me, because that's like the first big accident I really had with the drone. Whereas, you know, always make sure you're safe. Your surroundings are, you know, your surroundings are clear, sparsely populated, all the stuff you learn when you get your pilot license. You know, just kind of a wake up call, because those things do come in handy. I think sometimes we might be flying a drone carelessly for so long, nothing bad happens, that we kind of forget, like, you know, there's a responsibility with being in the air. I was reminded of that today, or that day. And yeah, with that being said, I did get a new drone that I love apps so much. It's the Mavic Air 2, and it's new. So, oh, there we go. I got the Mavic Air 2, which came out this year in 2020. Super small, super compact, even smaller than the original Mavic Pro Platinum. And yeah, I flew it out a couple times now, and I have nothing but great things to say. The quality is so good, 4K 60, log, all of that. The pictures are amazing. I think it's 42 megapixels. So the pictures come out like extremely sharp. There's a new remote with it. It's like nice and bulky. I don't know about you guys, but I really enjoy kind of like having a bulky feeling to like most of my gear. Like I've always told myself I want to get the 1DX. Just anything, I don't know why, just something of bulkiness, but I also like being bulky, but being able to travel easily, obviously. But yeah, the DJI Mavic, I'm gonna throw some B-roll over of some test footage I got just outside of town. And yeah, that's kind of like a little update about how things are going. Crashed my drone, it happens. Got a new one, which is actually why, you know, when you're making these jobs and you're getting this money, you're not going to the mall and getting Jordans all the time, or joggers, or whatever the case may be. You know, you have a savings account, you have a business account. You're being smart with your money. That way, in times of emergency, like oops, the drone crashed, you're not freaking out. You know, you're not SOL. You know, you just go get a new drone. You be safe, and you know, you keep creating, keep doing what you do. But yeah, that's about it. Just a short story time, and you know, kind of update on what's going on with my drone life. But other than that, any videos you want, any suggestions you want to see, drop them down in the comments below. My name is Joey. I make videos documenting my journey on being a video, what am I? A video production guy? Yep, being that and being in college at the same time. And other than that, peace. I gotta do some homework. And other than that, I think I already said that. I'll see y'all later.